Hello friends, today we are going to discuss project monitoring and control using PERT and cost. But here we are going to discuss that what is project monitoring and control. So there are different phases which are available in project. So what is project? Project is nothing but the dreams we have to make a dreams into reality. Now next, what is project management? Project management is nothing but the process. There are different processes, phases are available. With the help of that, we are going to deliver a final component or final deliverable to the customer on their time and budget. In There are different ways with the help of that we are going to manage our project. So triple concern is to be considered while developing our project: time, that is schedule; budget, which is nothing but your cost; time, cost, and scope; and last one is your quality. So there are different phases which are available. With the help of that we are going to manage our project, and with the help of that we are going to deliver the project on time and within the budget of a customer or a client. There are different phases are available: initiation, planning, execution, operation and maintenance. Planning, in between planning and execution, there is monitoring and control is there. Now what is initiation? Initiation is nothing but the starting phase of a project. What are the requirement of a customer? Feasibility study, this is to be considered in a requirement initiation phase. Now next one is planning is the what in what way we are going to construct our project. Feasibility study, risk is to be considered over here. What will be the cost of the project, schedule, these things is to be considered over here. Now execution is nothing but implementation and testing phase. Here we are going to implement our project, and testing and designing phase is also considered over here, tested over here. But here there are two sections are very important: monitoring and control. What is monitoring? Monitoring is nothing but the measure of the project development. Measurement, what in what way we are going to measure our project, in what way we are going to monitor our project. But now next one is control. Control means what? These are nothing but action which is to be taken out to develop our project. We have to control your project so that we are going to complete the project on time or schedule or within the given budget. And last one is operation and maintenance. Operation and maintenance is the phase. Here we are going to deliver the project to the customer. So this is for project monitoring and control. Next we are going to discuss, we are going to monitor and control using PERT and cost. Thank you.